Hey, YouTubers. Good morning. Great day in America. Getting ready to go on my bike ride. Every Thursday morning, I go out on my bike ride and look on all the trash, the treasures that people have thrown out in the neighborhood. Been doing this for a long time. And I was thinking this morning about the videos I make on YouTube and what direction I should be going. Been doing it for 18 years. I've decided I'm going to start doing more videos talking about fun, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Whenever I talk to people I haven't seen in a while, I always say, "What you been doing for fun lately?" They never tell me anything. Nobody's having any fun, and that's not right. We need to have fun. When I go on my trash route every Thursday, it's fun. I never know what I'm going to find. I've made a video about the chairs I found. People throw out four things: mirrors, chairs, tables, paintings. I made a video about the paintings, probably the best video I've made. I made a video about a bunch of letters somebody made when they were in the second grade, 32. I made a video, an hour feature-length movie, about some recordings I found on a tape recorders that they threw out. Very difficult, challenging video to make it interesting to watch. I never know what I'm going to find. I might be able to sell it on eBay. I might be able to use it myself, or give it to someone else, or recycle it, or use it for spare parts, or to create something else. Improvise, which I love doing. So you never know what you're going to find. And the best thing is the stories you find, the little things that tell a story that I can make into a video. Those are the best. But it's enjoyable because it's inside the compound here, the retirement area. There's not a lot of traffic, and what traffic there is like only 10 miles an hour. So I can put my headphones on and listen to music. Can't do that when I'm riding on the street or the sidewalk. And it's amazingly pleasant and fun, enjoyable to be going around on the electric bike, listening to God knows what, It's fun. You don't have to fly to Africa to get a hot air balloon ride to look at the animals. I mean, it would be fun, but you can find fun anywhere. You can talk to a friend or a neighbor, have them tell you their story, or their life. Start investigating things you didn't know about that right next door or outside your window or inside your house, or people you know. Or there's a lot of opportunities out there for fun, and I think I want to start making more videos focusing on the fun aspect of life, liberty, the pursuit of happiness. We're on a freaking rock right now, going around in space, in a solar system which is combined with millions and millions of other solar systems in a galaxy, and there's billions of galaxies. And what the how is it? Life is hard, then you die, and then you're forgotten. This is absurd. The fact that we know all this and we can't do anything about it or understand it, it's beyond our comprehension. The only response is to have some fun. The only response is to tell the universe, we don't know what we're doing or why we're here. I mean, of course, religiously, of course we do. But on the other hand, what's going on? Really? We're on a big rock with billions and billions of other rocks going God knows where and why? How can we know this and then we know we're going to, just be forgotten? That doesn't make any sense. It's absurd. Life is absurd. And the only response to a life that's absurd is to have fun and enjoyment while you're here. You don't have to fly to Africa. You can just have a cup of coffee and get on your bike, play some tunes, ride around, see what you can see, and enjoy the morning. Which is another thing. It's like 60 degrees outside for someone in South Florida. That's like Christmas in July. So yeah, I want to start making more videos with a theme of fun. Not like how to save money or repair something or fix something or vaguely interesting. I want to just focus on different things people can do not people that I can do, that I'm doing, that would inspire other people to maybe just next time somebody asks them what they've been doing for fun lately, they can say, well, yeah, I've been doing this or doing that. Because it goes by in a flicker. It goes by in a flicker. Years ago, I worked with an old lady, and I was very young. And she said, hey, Bob, it goes by in a flicker. And I'm her age now, and it goes by in a flicker. So what the heck? You need to get out there and have some fun and do things. You don't have to even go anywhere. I started listening to this radio site on the web at night before I go to bed. It's called Radio Garden. There's a globe, and there's hundreds of little dots on the globe. Each one of those dots is a radio station. So you can click that dot, and the globe will turn, and then you can hear the radio station that's being played, and you can save it as a favorite. So now I've got like 15 or 20 little radio stations around the globe. So before I go to bed, I just click on my one favorite, and the globe spins, and now I'm listening into Namibia, South Africa. And the next time I'm listening to Australia, then one down in the Caribbean, one up in the Maritimes, and one in New Orleans, and it's one in Pyongyang, North Korea. It's just which is a crazy station. It's really enjoyable to think about all the people around the world that are listening to all these stations at the same time I'm listening to them. And right before I go to bed, it feels like you're connected, and it's a very, very pleasant, enjoyable thing to do. And it doesn't cost a thing, and you can do it in bed, among many things. So have some fun. I'm going to go ride right now. When I come back, I'll show you what I found. Maybe nothing. Maybe it's a stick with a nail in it. But I needed a stick with a nail in it. You never know. Alright, so I'm rambling here. Alright, guys, go have some fun, and don't go away yet. I'll show you what I found when I come back. Alright, go look at my other videos about riding on the bicycle on trash day and finding stuff. Go watch my painting video. It's called A Charmed Life. That was one really good video. The one about the tables was good. Both of those are kind of like a music video. A Charmed Life and Your Table is Waiting. They were kind of music videos, but they have a theme to them. Yeah, I think you would enjoy that. Speaking of joy, Joy was here. That was the video about the person who threw away the recordings. That was a difficult video to make. All right, I'm rambling, but it's time to go and have some fun. All right, guys, see you out there.